if it's a bus or a boat. Well, this is the HafenCity RiverBus, the best of both worlds. It is an amphibious bus that can swim on water. The bus offers an amazing combination of city tours with river cruise in Hamburg, Germany. This RiverBus was designed by Fred Franken and Fiet Molstedt and is a part of Germany's first amphibious city tour. It makes touring Germany hassle-free, without any road traffic. Letting the passengers enjoy the breathtaking views and architecture in peace. The ride is 70 minutes long with 40 minutes on land and 30 minutes on water. Starting in Stadt and ending in Entenwerder. Look at how just 2 jet drives and a joystick can turn a bus into a boat. A standard internal combustion engine functions while the bus travels on land, whereas it is powered by 2 propellers on water. The tour guides provide first-hand stories on board in both German and English. The amphibious bus tour offers a very affordable ride with tickets starting at €21. Would you like to ride this bus come boat on your next trip to Germany?